Hi, in this video we will set up an Edneed students account. If you are an institute owner and want to learn how to invite students, watch our student manual and bulk invite video. Now, let's get started. Log into your email account. You must have received an invitation from Edneed. If you cannot find it in your inbox, check out your promotions and spam folders too. Greetings from Edneed. Your institute has invited you to join Edneed as a student. This invitation will include your admission number and course. Click Continue to start account activation process. Welcome to Edneed. To get started, you simply have to set your account password. This is a one-time process. Click Set Password button once you're done. Super easy, isn't it? Welcome to your Edneed dashboard. Here you can join class and view or submit assignments easily, but more on that in the upcoming videos. Now to add or edit personal information, click on the drop-down on the top right corner and click on Manage Profile. Let's start by adding your profile picture. Simply click on Upload Image, select a picture of your choice and you're done. You can also mention your contact number, address, gender, birthday here. You can also access Manage Profile from the dashboard. If you want to change your password, click on Account Settings in the top right drop-down. You can fill in your current password and new password to make the change. This isn't all. Click on Browse on the top left corner to unlock more features available to you on Edneed. If you are a private tutor, you can create an awesome website for your institute with Edneed. To discover more institutes on Edneed, go to Discover Institutes button. You can also access Edneed's learning community and participate in discussions, ask questions or solve peer queries. And finally, you can access your feed. Make the most of this opportunity. All the best. We've reached the end of this video. Watch our video on the importance of digitization or watch our complete How to Edneed playlist. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Happy learning, Team Edneed.